Hello and welcome back to my channel. Week 2 of DIYing. I am about to finish my entryway. We renovated our house last year. We started in June, we finished in, I would say, like September. And we added a vestibule, and I always knew when we were designing this space that I wanted to add a bench into it so that when you walk in, there's a bench, there's beadboard, there's a cute little shelf. I could like switch up the seasonal decor month to month. Today is finally the day where I'm gonna go pick up all the wood for the space. Matt just went over to our neighbor's house. He has a table saw that I always borrow, so we got the table saw ready to go. It's warm outside, and by warm I mean like 40 degrees because it's been 20, so I really haven't been able to go out there and work with my hands. So all the things that needed to happen have happened, and today is finally the day. I'm wearing this really cute Free People shirt that my cousin got me for Christmas, but I got paint on it, so I'm really mad at myself, but I'm wearing it anyway. I'm like, you know what, it's a vibe. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of a girly touch because I like to be cutesy while I build things. And I'm gonna put a little bit of lipstick on too. This is Shade Fuzz by Glossier. It is the best neutral shade. It's like a little bit cherry, but not too cherry. So we're ready to go. I get asked a lot about what I use, what tools I use. So this is the table saw that I'm about to use. It's actually not my own. I borrowed it from my neighbor, my miter saw. This is mine. It moves back and forth, so that makes it really easy to make cuts at all different lengths. And that's my setup currently. Welcome back to day 2. I am going to tackle painting the space today. I did some finish work. I filled like all of the holes for the nails and everything yesterday. And now I'm gonna paint and put up all of the, I can't make words, all of the hooks. I'm gonna drill all the hooks in and stain the wood benches and try to finish everything up. Wrap it up. Board is the absolute worst because you have to get in every single crevice. It's so annoying. It takes so much time. It is day 3 of this project. I'm standing in the space, so I was able to stain all the shelves last night, get them all installed, and now I'm going to be putting up hooks along this wall. I'm going to do 4 hooks, 1 for each of us in our family. So first I'm gonna get my center line and then I figure out the distance. I always wanna test it. So I realized when I found my center line that I actually want the first hook to start about 9 inches off from the side. So I'm gonna base all my measurements around that. Also, math is not my strong suit.